Hello everyone! My hometown is Phan Rang, Tháp Chàm in Ninh Thuận province. It's famous for many delicious things, but my favorite specialty dish is Bánh Căn. It's a type of small, crispy pancake made from rice flour. It's cooked in a special hot pan. We eat it with seafood, like shrimp and squid. And fresh vegetables. Dipped in a sweet and sour fish sauce. It's very tasty and unique. I love Bánh Căn because it reminds me of my home and happy memories with my family.
This Bánh Căn is seriously so good, Alex. It's super crispy and all the flavors just pop.
Yeah. You know, it's more than just a dish for me. Every bite reminds me of my home. It brings back so many happy memories with my family. My grandma always made it for us. The smell of Bánh Căn cooking always filled our home.
That sounds so special. It's amazing how food can do that.
Phan Rang really is famous for so many delicious things, but Bánh Căn is definitely my favorite specialty.
I can totally see why. It's definitely a must-try for anyone visiting.
So if you're ever in Phan Rang, you absolutely have to try Bánh Căn. It's not just food, it's a taste of home and happiness.
Come visit us. You won't regret it.
Hey Leo, guess what I was thinking about today? My hometown.
Oh yeah? What about it, Mia?
Well, it got me thinking about all the amazing local specialty dishes from different places.
That's a cool idea. Like, what makes a dish special to a town?
Exactly. And for my hometown, Hugh, there's one dish everyone knows and loves.
Oh, I'm curious. Tell me about it.
It's called bún bò Huế. It's a kind of spicy beef noodle soup.
Spicy beef noodle soup? That sounds so comforting.
And the best part is what it's made from. First, there are these amazing rice noodles.
Rice noodles, got it. Are they thin or thick?
They're so perfect. Then, of course, there's the beef.
Beef and noodles, a classic combo.
And to make it truly special, they add different fragrant herbs.
Oh, so that's where some of the unique flavor comes from.
It tastes so incredibly fragrant, you can smell it before you even take a bite.
Wow, that's how you know it's gonna be good.
It tastes so incredibly fragrant.
You can smell it before you even take a bite.
Wow, that's how you know it's gonna be good. And it's definitely spicy, like a really good spicy.
My kind of dish. A little heat always makes food exciting.
Lunch. People usually enjoy bò Huế for breakfast or lunch.
So it's for a hearty midday meal.
So I was thinking about my hometown, Hugh. It's super famous for something amazing. It's called bún bò Huế. It's this incredible spicy beef noodle soup. Picture. Oh my gosh, it tastes so fragrant and spicy. People usually grab it for breakfast or lunch. I seriously love it because it's such a traditional dish and it's just so delicious. Every time I eat it, I just feel so happy and, well, a little bit hungry all over again.